So we're going to demonstrate that today. The application of creating AI short videos on YouTube. First, I describe here. A beautiful female programmer is programming. Then suddenly on the computer screen, shows a cute kitten. But the programmer was horrified. It broke the screen. And let's look at what this actually looks like. You can see that the previous effect is normal. This generates a female programmer who is programming, and then finally spawned a kitten here. He was shocked. But as I said, he broke the screen. He didn't render this. Maybe because we are rendering too much at this time. That's too short. This is to optimize our text prompt words. Such a short video was made for us. I read the article. The first thing we need to understand. Does YouTube support AI short videos or AI videos? YouTube is cracking down and keep hitting the pointless AI video of duplicate trash. But it's also fun to be creative. Some good AI videos that make sense. It is recommended. At worst, it is not officially recommended, but the algorithm will recommend, and users like us we also like. Like what? We like to see some cinematic special effects. For example, look at some kittens and puppies. Then even if you know it was done by AI, we also like it because of its aesthetics, and its effect is very nice. Then the production cost using AI will be better. We don't need professionals, we just need, for example, my open source LTX with my local graphics card. Consumer graphics I can do it in 10分钟 use, render a short video inside. And it works really well. Like this short video telling a story. For example, describe a friend of mine. He met an alien at night. Related content. Then I created a short video so you can see what I'm describing. What is the story described? You don't have to imagine it. Okay, let's take a look at this LTS. I just demonstrated it on this page. We just need to enter the prompt word here. You can render our short video. Here is the display of this page. For example, let's take an example. We want to go to the moon, aliens or the sea, or mountains or deserts. I can't go by myself. I can't even go to the subway train outside, but I can get the AI to render these scenes for me. And then we can also render magic. And some supernatural powers and so on. And monsters. You could even say, do you want to render a cute kitten? But you don't have to actually buy a kitten. Feed it every day. You can generate kittens that cook. Dancing kitten, talking kitten, and some weird kittens. You can use it to generate. So that's it. Same, I'm using some blocks here as a document. I'm not just showing you. I used this LTS today. The effect of this AI short video. I hope you recommend me more relevant ones. This open source free. Like what? Someone on the internet mentioned this one tool. But some people say he didn't generate the corresponding dub. I need you to match the background music or some lines or something. So I temporarily choose this LGX. And I was just using it. The current effect is very good because I can share some of the stories I came across as a child. Because I didn't have a camera when I was a kid. I can describe it in text with AI. Generate the content I want. Although it will not be 100% perfect, but it can be around 70%. Let me give you a general idea of what my story is. Content. For example, some secret events encountered as a child, or something more memorable. I also recommend that you give it a try. That's all for today's video.